Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here and today we're going to do a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy A23 and the Samsung Galaxy A24. So which phone is the fastest? Let's find out. First of all, here I have both the phones. On the left, the Samsung A23, and on the right, the Samsung A24. The first test will be the power on test or the boot time test. So let's boot both the devices in 3, 2, 1. So the Samsung A24 booted up earlier as compared to the Galaxy A23. So with boot time test, your A24 is the winner. Both the phones have booted up successfully, and if I show you there is no app open in the background, we're going to open different apps to see the speed. First of all, your usual call dialer app. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the A23 booted up earlier. Now we're going to open the messages app in 3, 2, 1. I think the A23 was slightly faster. We're going to open the camera app in 3, 2, 1. Now let's open different apps on both the devices. First of all, the Play Store in 3, 2, 1. So think it was almost close. The Galaxy Store 3, 2, 1. A23 loaded it faster, and now the A24, they are both in the same internet connection, so none of them have internet advantage. Opening the clock app in 3, 2, 1. Almost same response time. Calculator in 3, 2, 1. Again, almost close. The settings app in 3, 2, 1. Almost same. And we're going to also open the calendar app in 3, 2, 1. And again, they were both very close. Now let's just open some games as well. So Subway Surfer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the A24 loaded up the game faster as compared to the A23. Now we're going to open the second game, that is Candy Crush in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was a tie. Last game is 8 Ball Pool in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got the loading screen in the A24 first. And yes, the A24 has loaded the game quite earlier as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A23. So from this, I conclude that if you're going to open normal apps like the call dialer, calendar, or something like that, you're not going to feel a lot of speed difference between the Galaxy A23 and the Galaxy A24. However, if you do a lot of gaming on your phones, then you're going to see the difference in game load speed because these were some lighter games. If you're going to play heavy games like Call of Duty or PUBG, then you're going to see the speed difference. But overall, there is not much speed difference between both of these phones. So guys, if you like this speed test comparison, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.